Yes. So polygons are made up of line segments. Here, so see, polygon is a closure figure made by joining line segments. So what are the line segments? This is one line segment. From here to here, this is one line segment. This is one line segment. And this is one line segment. Okay, this is one. And this is two. And from here to here, this is three. And here, this is 4 and 5. Altogether, how many are there? There are 5 line segments. That means 5 sides. Line segments. Syed Anas. Yeah, I am going to remove from the session, please. Anas, you just don't write anything. Rajesh, you need not to write anything on the screen, please. Line segments and the sides both are same. Okay, next here, this is also polygon where each line segment intersect exactly two others, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 line segments it has. This is also line segment. These are also line segments are joining each other to form a one figure, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All these are made by line segments, so that these are all called, what they are called? Polygons. A polygon is a closed figure made by joining line segments. What is a polygon? It is a closed figure which is made by joining line segments where each line segment intersects exactly two others. Okay, na? All polygons are formed by line segments. See, I will tell you what about this. I think this is also polygon. Yeah. And what about this? This is also polygon. Why? Because it is made by or formed by line segments, 1, 2, 3. This is one line segment. 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 1, 2, 3. These are all line segments made by. So these are also called polygons. So there are two types of polygons we have. One is regular polygons and irregular polygons. What are the regular polygons and what are the irregular polygons? In the next slide, we can see that, right? Yes. Polygons. These are all polygons. So it is, how many line segments it has? 4. This is 1. This is 2. 3, 4. Here also there are 4 line segments. We can use, these are all polygons. And here 1, 2, 3. These are the polygons. State any one property of each. Please tell me, you just give a statement, one property of each figure. What about this? I will tell you, all sides are equal of this first figure. First one. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one, right? In the first figure, it is polygon. Why? Because it is formed by 4 lines, 4 line segments. So if the polygon formed by line segments, it is called as polygon, right? So it is a figure shape. So what is the property of the shape? All sides are equal. I have observed that. All sides equal. నేను ఇక్కడ గమనించాను ఏంటంటే all sides are equal. This is one property. But about this here also I observed that all sides are equal. All sides are equal, right? And here only this two, the equal unnai, and this one and this one. I'm going to just Yes. And this one is equal. So opposite sides equal. Opposite sides equal. Yes, these are the properties. So even though they are all sides are equal and they are made by line segments and opposites are equal. So this is about all one property of the given figures. So it is one polygon and it is one polygon and this is one polygon, right? We'll go for the next, and regular and irregular. Let us identify whether it is a polygon or not. If no, then why not a polygon? So is it a polygon or not? He's asking a question to us. Is it polygon? This is it polygon? No, it is not a polygon. Why? Because it is only two sides we can see. Yeah, it is not made by line segments. It is a one curved line. Here also it is a curved line. It is a cylindrical shape, but it's not a polygon. Why? Because it has no sides. Only two sides it has. It is that too. It is solid shape, and it has one curved face. Right? Okay. So that here we said, is it a symmetrical or not? So just now I told you what is a symmetrical. If you draw a line, right? The number 1 and number 2 must be identical. Identical means it exact same as. Identical means same as. See, what is here and there must be here. If you fold it, or if I draw a line, that must be divide a particular figure or a thing in two identical parts, the same as. Same ga undalanamata. Left side, right side same ga unte atlanti figure nu manam. So that is the figure is called symmetrical figure. So here, so is it symmetrical or not? Yes. When we draw a line, it is exactly symmetrical. Yes. I think is it clear to all? If when we draw, yes, the number 1 and number 2 both are identical. Same as, same ga unnai kabatti manam dinni symmetrical figure ani cheppesi antam annamata. Okay na? Then I will go for the next. Regular and irregular figures. Regular, and the concept is simple polygon. Is a polygon that does not intersect itself and has no holes. That is, it is a flat shape consisting of straight, non-intersecting line segments or sides that are joining pairwise to form a single closed path. Okay, that does not intersect itself. See, one thing I'm telling you, does not means wait. Does not means if the figure it never intersect again. See, it is a closed figure, that must be like this. This is the figure, it is a closed figure. It is also closed, but it is intersect himself. Right? Itla mano intersect kaakuddu. Itlantu ila unte vatini mano emantam simple polygon. You intersect avutay matram they are not called as polygons. So they have another name. We'll discuss about that. Okay, next, complex polygon. Simple polygon and a complex polygon. What is a simple polygon? Simple polygon is it does not intersect itself and has no holes, and that is it has a flat shape consisting of straight and non-intersecting line segments or sides that are joining pairwise to form a single closed path. So single closed path. Right, next, complex polygon. For examples are here, you can see all the examples. Next, complex polygon. What is a complex polygon? A polygon in the complex Hilbert plan, and which has two complex dimensions, right? You see, this is one complex. This is one complex and this is one complex. It is okay. It is also formed by line segments. And that means it is one part and it is a one figure, closure figure, and this is also one. So all these are formed by line segments and also they are polygons and they are connected. Complex and Hilbert plan, so which has two complex dimensions. So ila unda what itla unte vitini mano complex polygons ani cheppesi antam anamata. Okay, so this is all about simple polygon and a complex polygon, and then we'll go for to discuss about regular and irregular polygons. So polygon is made up of line segments. So what are the regular and what are the irregular? Simple thing I will tell you. Regulars are same length of sides, equal in length, equal in angles, and equal in everything. So the regular polygons, that is equal angular and all angles are equal in measure, and equilateral, equal angular and equilateral. Regular polygons, a polygon that is equal angular, and that means all angles are equal in measures. See, it is one angle. Wait, I will tell you. Here it is an angle and it is angle, here it is angle. All angles must be same, equal, and all sides equal. This. All angles and all sides equal, then that is called regular polygons. Okay, a different length, different angles, they are called irregular polygons. If you have getting enough knowledge about the regular polygons, we can easily to find irregular polygons. It have any side of length, right? Any angle of any measure of an angle. They can be convex or concave, but all concave polygons are irregular since that interior angles cannot all be the same. Concave and convex, they can irregular, it can have sides of any length and each interior angle can be any measure. They can be convex or concave. Okay now. So irregular has a different kinds, right? So there are, this is called Tangram. It is puzzle consisting of 7 flat shapes. It is a Tangram is one of the best 7 pieces Tangram it is, and also we can get 5 pieces Tangram. Here you can see this is 7 pieces and this is 5 pieces. 7 pieces flat space or 5 flat faces called tens, cut out from the square, and these pieces are put together to form a various shapes or designs such that all 7 pieces or 5 pieces should not overlap one another. Okay, it is just if Tangram about, it is one of the best pieces, best mathematical tool to make a designs and very good. It will useful, helpful in Navodaya. Okay, cutting figures, it is there in the Navodaya and Melton ability. There, this use is very well. It can be used. This knowledge is very useful in particularly cutting figures in Navodaya examination, right? Okay, next we'll go for next slide. And tessellation, right? Nothing is there. You can see everywhere here. This is the pattern created when the shape is repeated over and over again, and all the pieces fit on a flat shape without leaving a gap or without overlapping. Overlapping means ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఎక్కకుండా, ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి లేకుండా చక్కగా they are arranged. It can be see in the you can see on the floor what is that? Nowadays we can see this is as a floor, 4 floor bits ఉంటాయి, ఫ్లోర్ స్క్వేర్స్ ఉంటాయి, 4 అవన్నీ కూడా ఒకదాని పక్కన ఒకటి అరేంజ్ చేసి ఇట్లా మనకి ఫ్లోర్స్ చేస్తా ఉన్నారు, మనం చూడొచ్చు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, లుక్ అరౌండ్ అండ్ ఫైండ్ ఎనీ టెస్లేషన్ అరౌండ్ యూ. ఎస్, వీ కెన్ సీ ఎవ్రీవేర్. Now there are, every object has a views. There are 3 views for one object. Whatever the object you can take, there is a 3 views. What are they? Top view and front view and side view. Top view, front view and side view. Top, how it can? There are 3 ways for every object. Front view and side view. Yeah, this is the phone. If you see, this is a front view and this is a side view. How can it appear? Okay, you know that every object has their one three views. 3 views ఉంటేనన్నా అది మీరు ఒకసారి గమనించండి, right? I will give you some work. Yes, this is the t-shirt. Look at the t-shirt given, and so we can fold it in such a way that the first half covers the second half exactly. Yes, just now I have told you, you just fold it, first half exactly covers the second half. It can looks like this. So this is called symmetrical. But it is, so when first half is completely overlap the second half, that shape is called symmetrical figures. See here, symmetry in English alphabets. I will give you a small task activity to you. You will show me that. Tomorrow we'll write all black capital letters of English letters and write like this. How many line of symmetries to each letter? Okay, can you do it? Thank you. Okay, you people can do, I know that. Just write somewhat big letters, you take it and write, draw a line of symmetries, how many as possible, right? Yeah. Next examples. Show your answer by using placards. How many views are there of any object? You already told you there are 3 ways. How many angles are there in the square? You know, everybody knows that there are 4 angles or 3 angles. Square, yes, square is 4 angles. Right, like that we just complete. And then identify the object as a Tangram or a Teslan. What is that? This is, yeah, Tangram, and this is a complex polygon. Yeah, it is complex polygon. I will send you all this, then we will complete it. Okay, assessment also I will send it. Don't copy, already answers with you, but those who are giving, yes, you just take one screenshot of this paper and just identify each image given below and write its view. So this is what house, what is it can shows, whether it is a front view, side view or top view. This is object, this gives that result, which view it is. This is car, which view, which way you can see like this. So you can write, right? Yeah. State true or false. Idi kuda meeru screenshot teeskondi nanna, just take out the screenshot.